Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Valorant on a browser. First, it's important to understand that Valorant is a PC-exclusive tactical shooter developed by Riot Games. This means it requires a dedicated game client to be installed directly onto your computer. Unfortunately, playing Valorant directly within a web browser is not officially supported by the developers. However, there are alternative methods to experience PC games through a browser-like interface. One primary alternative to playing Valorant directly on your PC is through cloud gaming services. These platforms allow you to stream high-quality PC games, including many popular titles, directly to your device. The game itself runs on powerful remote servers, and you interact with it through a web browser or a dedicated app. A very stable internet connection, ideally with speeds of at least 25 megabits per second, is absolutely essential for a smooth and responsive experience. Several popular cloud gaming services are available today. NVIDIA GeForce now allows you to play games you already own on various platforms. Xbox Cloud Gaming provides access to a large library of titles through a subscription. Amazon Luna also offers different gaming channels. It is crucial to check if Valorant is officially supported by your chosen cloud gaming service, as game availability can vary greatly between platforms. To get started, first select a cloud gaming service that explicitly supports Valorant, if available. Next, ensure your internet connection is robust, ideally with a ping under 30 milliseconds for minimal lag. Use a compatible web browser, such as Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, for the best streaming performance. Finally, connect a low-latency gaming mouse and keyboard to your device for precise control, which is critical in a fast-paced tactical shooter like Valorant.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.